Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. It's a little bit later in the afternoon. I've already, did a handful of deliveries on Caviar with the car, and then traffic was really bad, and I was like, yo, let's split from this. And then as I, parked the car and skated all the way down from the top of Twin Peaks to downtown, I accepted this TaskRabbit gig that was to just go pick up a letter and take it to the post office and mail it. So I just did that right now on the skateboard, which was pretty cool. And I still haven't charged since Twin Peaks. And I still would have how much battery left? Like 2 bars left. Now I'm gonna have to charge a little bit. I'm gonna have to charge now or charge really soon because I'm gonna meet up with the skate crew later, and I guess there's gonna be like a little skateboard meetup, and since I have 2 batteries, maybe tonight will be a little bit better, but I'm gonna have to charge everything. Charge the skateboard, charge the GoPro. I need to get some food right now too. Let's go over and grab a quick falafel real fast. Yo, let's get this video started. All right, cool beans. Just knocked out some computer work, charged up the boosted board, charged up this camera, charged up that camera, charged up my phone. Let's get ready to go skate. Just stopped for a quick pit stop. Sun is going down here. I'm gonna attempt to make it to the Golden Gate Bridge. I got plenty of batteries to get me there and back. Let's cruise. This hill right here, I love it. Let's cruise. I think it's a little bit better that I take this route instead of the street. I would take the street if I had a posse, but I'm just alone, so I'm just gonna take this route. Much safer. Back indoors now, charging up the boosted, and man, today has been fun. Today has been an interesting day. Like I've been pretty busy for the most part. Like woke up early this morning with the rental car, knocked out some deliveries, and then the TaskRabbit gig on the skateboard. That was just a blast. And I don't know, today has been like this is something I don't usually like to talk about with you guys, but like today's been a freaking lonely day. Like the past couple days have been pretty. They've just been I don't know, it's just been very different. Like I just haven't been having a lot of fun, but I haven't been really hanging out with people either, which is like somewhat different. Like when I was traveling, I was hanging out with people every single day. And back in the Bay, like I don't typically hang out with people like all the time. Like when I'm back here, like majority of friends I have are business friends, and they're not like just kicking it friends, they're not just hanging out friends. For the most part, I really don't have a lot of friends here, like just hang out friends. Maybe homeboy Jermaine is just bored But at the same time, this is not a boring city, but there's a lot of things that I just don't want to do alone because I do so many things alone anyway. And there's a lot of events going on. There's a lot of free events going on the weekends, but I don't exactly want to do that like by myself. However, when I'm traveling and I'm not in a place that I'm in all the time, going to do things by myself is like so much easier. If I'm traveling and I'm in a city I've never been to, it's a whole lot easier to go do stuff alone, and a lot of times I may not even do stuff alone because I may meet people along the way that are down to do the same thing. In other news today, so when I was, out doing deliveries with Caviar, I received my first warning from Caviar. And a warning is not that big of a deal, but to me it is a big deal because I've received warnings on other platforms, and as soon as I receive a warning, I typically don't go back to the platform anymore, or I typically abandon the platform. Let me explain. DoorDash sent me an email like 2 years ago saying that like your ratings are below the customer standards or blah, 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 blah. And this email was pretty much a warning saying that if your rating is not higher, we're gonna deactivate you. And I literally stopped doing DoorDash after that. After opening that email, I basically stopped doing DoorDash completely. Like that was the last time I did DoorDash. I think a year went on and they just randomly deactivated me because they said that I was like, I don't know why they deactivated me, but it was some stupid reason. They sent me an email saying, you're deactivated, please don't contact customer support, please don't contact this email, no one can help me, you're screwed, feed yourself to the wolves. So yeah, that's what happened with DoorDash. And then Postmates, they sent me a warning email saying that like, you was late dropping off a delivery, and I didn't just abandon Postmates after that, but when was the last time you saw me do a Postmates review video? Like, I just don't bother with Postmates anymore. I received one from Winolo, which was another platform that I was actually deactivated from. It was a mistake on my part. A few people have told me to email them back and explain them the situation, and they'll probably reinstate me, but it's cool. Like they deactivated me. Time to move on to the next platform. So I just got a message from Caviar. Now you guys know Caviar is one of my favorite platforms. Caviar and TaskRabbit and Uber Eats, my favorite three. Well, I just got my warning email from Caviar, and it looks like I'm not going to be doing Caviar too much anymore. I was not deactivated from Caviar, but I feel that a warning is a warning, and a warning for me is a warning. And on these sharing economy platforms, when I receive a warning, that just lets me know it's time to do something else. It's time to look for something else to do. It's time to do something else. Because if I mess up one more time, I'm going to be deactivated. So I'm basically deactivating myself already, like voluntarily deactivating myself, because I don't want to receive some email from Caviar saying, oh, you've been deactivated. So if I tell myself that I'm already deactivated now, and that's pretty much what I'm doing, I guess I won't be doing Caviar in YouTube videos anymore. I possibly may do it a few times, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing Caviar. I was gonna do Caviar tomorrow, but looks like I'm not gonna do Caviar tomorrow. I don't wanna screw up and get booted off the platform, that sort of thing. Also tomorrow I signed up for this TaskRabbit gig, but I totally messed this one up. This TaskRabbit gig is from 2 to 5. 2 minutes after I committed to this TaskRabbit gig, I received a text message from, electric skateboarders in the Bay Area, and there is a skateboarding meetup from 1 to 5. So, and to make things even worse, Acton, remember the other electric skateboard company, Acton? They're having an electric skate up meetup tomorrow too, at the same time. So that's my day. Like that's me. Like I'm gonna completely miss all the events going on tomorrow, and I'm gonna just work. And I'm actually not looking forward to tomorrow. I'm actually not looking forward to. I really wish like I would not have signed up for that TaskRabbit gig. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, yo.